This is why you need to know how your phone stays charged all day. Have you ever wondered what goes into making sure your smartphone, tablet, or even your electric car has the power it needs to function? It's a fascinating journey that starts long before you plug in your device. From the moment you wake up and check your messages, to the time you scroll through social media before bed, your phone's battery is working tirelessly to keep you connected. But how does it manage to stay charged all day? Let's dive into the intricate process that makes this possible. Buckle up. We're exploring the science behind batteries. The journey of a battery is a complex and fascinating one, involving numerous steps and a variety of materials. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring that your device has the power it needs to function efficiently. It all starts with raw materials. First, we need lithium, nickel, and cobalt. Those are the key ingredients. These elements are found in various parts of the world and are extracted through mining operations. The process of mining these materials is labor-intensive and requires a lot of energy, but it's a necessary step in the creation of batteries. Once extracted, these raw materials are refined to high purity levels. This refining process is crucial because any impurities can affect the performance and safety of the battery. The refined metals are then ready to be transformed into the components that will make up the battery. These materials are extracted from the earth and then refined to high purity levels. The refining process involves several steps, including crushing the raw materials, separating the valuable metals from the waste, and purifying the metals to remove any remaining impurities. This ensures that the final product is of the highest quality and ready for the next stage of production. Next, they're shaped into electrodes, which are the heart of the battery. The electrodes are made by mixing the refined metals with other materials to create a paste. This paste is then spread onto a thin sheet of metal, which serves as the base for the electrode. The sheet is then cut into the desired shape and size, ready to be assembled into the battery. The electrodes are then coated with a special paste and rolled into thin sheets. This paste is a mixture of the active materials that will store and release energy, as well as binders and other additives that help improve the performance and stability of the electrode. The coated sheets are then rolled into thin layers, which are essential for the next steps in the battery manufacturing process. Once dried, they're stacked with separators in between to keep them apart. The separators are thin layers of material that prevent the electrodes from touching each other and causing a short circuit. They also allow ions to pass through, which is essential for the battery to function. The stacked electrodes and separators are then ready to be assembled into the final battery cell. Then they're wound into tight rolls or stacked in layers depending on the battery design. This step is crucial because it determines the shape and size of the battery as well as its capacity and performance. The rolled or stacked cells are then placed into a casing which protects them from damage and ensures they can be safely used in your device. Next stop is the electrolyte bath. The electrolyte is a liquid or gel that allows ions to flow between the electrodes, creating the electric current you rely on. The cells are soaked in the electrolyte, which fills the spaces between the electrodes and separators, ensuring that the battery can store and release energy efficiently. This liquid allows ions to flow, creating the electric current you rely on. The movement of ions between the electrodes is what generates the electricity that powers your device. The electrolyte also helps to keep the battery stable and prevents it from overheating or catching fire. Finally, the cells are sealed, charged, and tested before being packaged and shipped. The sealing process ensures that the electrolyte stays inside the battery and doesn't leak out. The cells are then charged to their full capacity and tested to make sure they meet the required standards for performance and safety. Once they pass these tests, they are packaged and shipped to manufacturers, ready to be installed in your device. And there you have it, the journey from raw material to the battery in your hand. It's a complex and fascinating process that involves many steps and a variety of materials. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring that your device has the power it needs to function efficiently. The journey from raw material to the battery in your hand. Pretty electrifying, right? Next time you charge your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought that battery to you. From the mines to the factory, and finally to your device, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science.